Hi kids, now my name is Leon and guess what I collect? I collect washing machines and laundry memorabilia. I've collected so many washing machines, I now have 41 in my collection. I've been collecting them now for 7 years and I found them at garage sales and from people who have answered my ads in the newspaper. This is my favourite machine. It's a 1960s Ringer machine and it was my favourite because it was the same machine that my mother had when I was a boy. To get the water out of the clothes, you have to squeeze them through these rollers. Watch out for your fingers though. Now this is my favourite piece of laundry memorabilia. It's a never-used 1973 brochure which shows the ultimate washing machine that I want for my collection. One day I'll get this machine. I'm proud of my collection. I like collecting washing machines because it's something that people don't normally collect. You can collect anything you like, but I think I'll stick to collecting my washing machines. Thanks for visiting. Bye-bye for now.